What is up, you little carriers? Welcome back to Leroy Fixing Shit. My name is Leroy Scuttlebutt. Today we're going to be showing you how to remove an over-the-range microwave. We're taking this bitch right here out. As you can see, I've already taken the grate off. Basically what y'all are going to want to do, we bought a new microwave. There it is right there. We got to put it in. This thing took a shit on us. Trying to make the baby's bottle in the morning. Couldn't even heat the damn thing up. Anyways, I cut these out. They were the little safety protectors down in the bottom of that. Just measure under here. Put your cardboard on your stove so you don't fuck it up. Just wedge these under here. That's going to help hold it up for us. Probably should remove the stove, but you know what? We're going to try it like this just to see what happens. Step number 2, we still got power. You see there, you're going to come up above your microwave there. Pull out all that candy you hid from your kids. The little cookie cutters you use once a fucking year. There's some more candy and shit. I don't know why this kid's chalk's up there, but... And then you're going to be looking at all these damn cooking books that you don't know why the hell you bought in the first place because you don't ever use them. So we're taking all that shit out. And you're just going to be putting it off to the side because we don't need it. You didn't need it for the last how many damn years? Why would you need it right now? There it goes. Then we got the little birthday party supplies and shit up here too. Those can come out. We're just making a nice little pile right here, alright? Little pink cups. There you have it. Now we're going to cut the power. Pop that puppy right off. So basically, to get this thing out, there's a bolt right there and a bolt right there. So I'm going to set you all up so you can watch me take this one out. For this, you're going to need a Phillips head screwdriver. Start working on the other one here. When they give us a better angle, we might be able to use the drill on it. You guys might be wondering why in the hell are we taking this thing out? Well, because it don't fucking work no more. And you don't realize how much you use your goddamn microwave till the fucker's broken. There's one down. Now we're coming over to this guy right here. Maybe this will work, maybe not. That was a hell of a lot easier. Got that loose. Just show you all what I'm doing down here. You just want to hold it up. You should have 2 people, but fuck it. Scooter McQueen moved on us. We ain't got nobody here to help us. Now your 2 bolts are out. And we're going to come back down here. Move all this shit out of the way. I'm going to put you guys back here so you can see this. We're going to pull our little helpers out. You pull it out right like that. So that's your old mounting hardware. We got a whole shitload of instructions to get through. You just feed this little thing right here, right down through. And that right there is how you take an over the range microwave out. You only want to do this if you want to change the fucking thing, because there ain't no reason to otherwise do it. Thank you all for watching this video. If you all like the content, please make sure you like and subscribe. Like I said, this channel is called Leroy FixinShit. My name's Leroy Scuttlebutt. See you all in the next video.